Hello, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. I am Wendy Shenarigan, and we talk about DIY, renovations, lifestyle, a little bit of luxury, anything that will help you to maintain your life and your lifestyle a little bit better. So if you like what you're seeing and what you want to hear, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Really, really love for you to comment to let me know how you think this bench turned out. Now, we've been working on this bench for a long time. We like to take our time with DIY projects because we understand that at least I'm not a professional, but I have a vision. My husband is a professional. However, we like to take our time because we want to make sure we get it exactly right. So I would always say for your DIY projects, make sure you take your time. I've said that so many times in these videos. And so what I didn't know is that custom cushions, they're a little bit expensive. So I did go to Etsy and purchased a custom cushion from NC Patio Cushions. NC Patio Cushions, they were very nice. I measured my cushions and I measured them to be 0.25 inches shorter than length and 0.25 inches or a quarter of an inch shorter than the width. I did provide them the wrong measurements at first, but they were very, very nice and very patient with me and waited for me to provide them the right measurements. And it fit like a glove. Also, I know that the texture of this cushion is, it can stretch a little bit. So that's why I opted to do a quarter of an inch shorter. What I did is I just shopped my home and I looked for pillows in my home. Again, this is it. We didn't want to spend a lot of money because custom cushions, it ran me about a couple $100 for this length. It is a very long bench, about 120 inches wide. So we wanted to save some money on the pillows. So I shopped my home. I also wanted to make sure that the pillows matched the picture on top. So we really, really took our time to look for colors that would match and just complement everything in our kitchen. And also the thickness of it, it is 2 inches thick. We did not do 3 inches thick because we wanted to ensure that the cushion would not go over the limb of the windowsill. Per my interior decorator, Rooms Remembered, of course. And this is the final product. I thought about putting a throw there because I plan on reading my books and, writing and meditating there, but I decided not to. I may add one more pillow to the side, but I think it turned out beautifully. I mean, that wine color, it really pulls out the color in the picture. Hopefully the camera will be able to pick up that wine color in the picture. I just absolutely love the fact that we have the texture and the design on the pillows that kind of match the design on the wall. So the kitchen nook is done. So on to the next project. Of course, you've seen in my previous video that my ceiling fell because of the AC. So right now we rearranged my workroom, of which I do create soy candles and have all natural vegan soaps that I sell. So I am creating kind of like a not a manufacturer, yeah, a place where I actually curate and make my candles. It's a shelving unit. I just wanted to show you how easy it is to put up shelves. It is very, very easy, but it's also very important that you fine tune and understand the height where you be standing or sitting, and make sure that that height really goes with how you would like to work. I have two different shelves. One is to pour the candle wax, and the other shelf is to hold the candles. So again, measurement is key, but I just wanted to record this because I wanted to show you all how easy it is to put up these shelves. Very, very easy. The wood only costs $40, and then the shelves, the hardware, if you will, I believe that was about $20. So Basically $60 for 2 shelves. You can't beat it. I did not paint it because I'll be working on these shelves. But again, if you're looking for something easy to assist you with any type of your DIY projects, or also when you're trying to just do arts and crafts, this is the easiest way to go. Well, I hope that you enjoyed what you heard. If you like this, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely helps my numbers a little bit. I will leave this video playing because I want you to see the final product, of course. And again, thank you so much. And as always, peace.